pass, full weight. We'll be back. Later. Alright, so here we are. We're just getting out of Vegas. A little later than we wanted to, but yeah, we got this plan where we're going to, we could have taken the enclosed trailer and truck, but we decided that we were going to put our mouth where our money is, or our money where our mouth is, right?
Right.
Yeah. And we're going to drive it up to Sacramento, so yeah, so we got a rental tomorrow at Sacramento with a bunch of our custom code and Iroz Motorsport clients. Great group of guys that we want to support and help go faster. So we're going to jam up to Sacramento. It's like 700 miles or so, 600 miles.
Yeah.
So we're all packed up. Got pretty much everything we need to go fast. We're going to try to punch this thing into the nines. Drive her home. I was telling you earlier, like one of my coolest experiences driving or racing or whatever was the time we went with Tim Foley. Like the first time we went half mile racing, that was like we just barely got his car on the IMS 850. It was like the first 850 kit we'd ever sold, and there was that no-fly zone in Helaman, Arizona, and so like late as always getting on the road, but we got on the road and drove all the way there. We like got into we got there to the hotel at like 2 in the morning, got a few hours of sleep, woke up, went to the airport for Helaman for the half mile, and like we'd never gone to those events, so nobody knew us, but we like pulled into the parking lot and they had like all these hangars, and they like we parked under the hangar because we were racing, right? One of the guys came and over and he's like all awkward, yeah, like we need you to park out in the dirt, like this is only for people that are racing. We're like, oh man, come on. No, we're racing this thing. Yeah, that's like one of the car was so fast that weekend. It was really good conditions, but it went like 187, 188, and it was like the third fastest car all weekend long. You know, probably 20 GTRs there.
I didn't even think you were racing it.
Yeah. He came up just at the end. He's like, dude, that thing's so fast. I didn't even know those things were fast. And then we drove it back. You know, put everything back in the car and drove it home. It was pretty cool.
Well, let's hope we can repeat that. Alright. Looks like a
Turbines.
turbines.
Dang it, I had to have hammered my car.
Couldn't have been good. Some oversized loadage.
How you doing there, Jeff?
Rolling along.
Yeah. In there. Let's see how she goes. Alright, just woke up here in California, Sacramento. Long drive last night. So what do we drive? Like what? 700 miles? 650 miles?
Yeah,
So
like that.
ran without a hitch. Ate up an R1 last night coming into Sacramento at like 1 o'clock in the morning. He was super cool.
Yeah.
But yeah, just getting started in the morning. Already flashed a couple of cars over to the latest software, and just gonna go grab some distilled water real quick at Walmart, and then make it on over to the track. That's pretty cool. We were just talking. It's cool to have this many, not only this many RSs, but then people coming in with cars on drag radials and pretty
Dropped exhaust.
pretty cool little ninja pretty warm this afternoon, but you know, you need a little heat into the track, so that's not the end of the world.
Second of all, congratulations, good work, dude. I love you. Third of all, check your email. You've got a tune.
All right, sounds good. We're running. We only have about 4 or 5 minutes left, but I'll try to make it happen.
Okay, bye.
All right, bye. Thank you. Yeah! There she is, boys. First 9-second car, 996, completely full weight. Yeah, boy. Completely full weight. Seats, tires, stock wheels. Look at this thing. It's got the floor mats in it. Man. Love my team, man. Best there is. I'm gonna go try to push one more car a little bit deeper into the records, right? Celebrate a little more. Yeah! Check this thing out, man. Oh. Look at it. Yeah, we're super happy with George's car. It's hot as heck out there today. It was over 100 degrees out here today in Sacramento. But what a cool facility. We'll have to come back here in the fall when it's a little bit cooler, because really cool facility, cool staff. So yeah, had a ton of fun with George's car. Next down the line, this car we're in right now. Yeah, this thing went 998, full weight. I mean, obviously we took the stuff out of the back, the parts that we brought and stuff like that, but it ended up going 998 with the stock seats in it, the stock floor mats. I mean, this thing is full weight. Super impressive. If we would have put drag radials on it, that car would have gone even faster. I mean, I think full weight it probably would have gone, what, 98? Yeah. And then, you know, taking weight out, the sky's the limit for that thing. I'm pretty excited about this car. Yeah, we went 10:01 at 145 with the stock wheels and just some hand-cooked street tires, the tires that we're on right now. So that was really cool, really impressive. Next down the line, you got Jason, and he put his stock turbo RS3 down the track at 10.3 at 134.9. So that's insane. He cut a one. It was really interesting because we were playing around with some new TCU software with him there at the very end, and you know, he went 10.3 at 134.5, or with our basically what we're going to release as our production tune for the TCU, and we started playing around with a little higher RPM, a little, you know, more aggressive of a launch setup, because the DR radials were hooking a little bit better, and yeah, he was cutting 151s there at the very end, but it needed a couple of tweaks in the shift points. It was getting hung up a little bit on the 1.2. So, man, I can see stock turbo 10.2, 10.1 cars here very shortly, which is
killing it.
Which is wild. Yeah, then we had what else happened? Tim Myers. Yeah, his wife drove his car, went 10.5 at 134.5 on street tires. know, no Kirky, nothing like that. Pretty heavy car overall. And then Steve Kwan, he went super fast as well. I think he went 10.6 at 133, 134. So yeah, pretty insane day. Had a ton of fun. We're gonna go grab some food with our clients that make this all possible, and then we'll hit the road, and got another 600 miles ahead of us.
Yep, drive her home.
No trailer queen here. This thing's we proved this weekend that these kits are reliable, that you can take them on the road. It's not just a dyno queen trailer setup. This is something we drive every day, and you can take it a state away and go drag racing if you want to, and not have to worry about AAA needing to come bail you out.
I wouldn't drive my old Audi out here and run it and drive it home.
No, neither would I. In fact, I don't really even like driving it home anymore.
Yeah, no kidding.
Yeah, we were at like 2,100 foot DA today, so it's not like it was just killer conditions. Yeah, a lot of fun. Anyway, we'll touch back on the way home, talk some more.
Please keep right in 1 mile and continue to follow I-16 north.
Alright, just making it home. Car did well. Yeah, just unloading. It's like 4 in the morning, so I think we covered like 1,300 miles. Let's see what I did. Yeah, so we did I reset it a few miles out of town, but I think we did over 1,300 miles and pretty much a day. Went and ran 9s full weight. Probably, what do you think we did most of that stretch at? Out to California, 95, 100 miles an hour.
Probably. Like 95.
Yeah, so pretty crazy. Cool test for the car and just for the program that we're putting together over here to put out a really fast kit that's reliable and not just a dyno queen or not just a quarter-mile race car, but something you can actually drive and load up and put your kids in the car or go out of state and go race. Pretty versatile car. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the journey. Till next time.